And the angel of the Lord said, Hagar, servant of Sarai, where have you come from and where are you going? I am running away from my mistress Sarai, she answered. Hagari, she's from the misery or the slavery. She's from ukuhlushwa Sarai. She's from that life, but unfortunately, she doesn't know where she's going. Ne? She's from ukuhlushwa Sarai, but she doesn't know ukuthi uyakuphi. So that brings her into living the life in between of two lives or of two seasons. Are we together, Pastor One? Are we together, Paul? She's from Ekhlupekeni, she's from Eklushweni, she's from harassment, she's from ill treatment, she's from impilo ebuhlungu. Last week, she was fed up. Amen. They are fed up leave. They are fed up leave. Oh, we have a dysfunctional life. Wabalega. Now, Ustola manje, Abu Desert. So, my message, the title of my message, Hagari, it is a life in between two seasons.